Once upon a time, there was a little tree in a big forest. The little tree wanted to grow tall and strong like the big trees around it. But it was small and weak. It felt sad and thought, I will never be as big as the others. One day, a wise old owl came to visit. The owl saw the little tree and said, "Do not worry about being small. Every tree grows at its own pace. You must be patient and keep growing." The little tree listened to the owl. It decided to stay strong and keep growing, even though it was slow. Over time, it grew bigger and stronger. It learned that being patient and working hard would help it grow. Years later, the little tree became a big, strong tree. It was happy and proud. It learned that every living thing grows in its own time. The lesson was clear: patience and effort bring great rewards. The story shows us that patience and perseverance are key to personal growth and success.